Hello traders, welcome to BestBull. In today's video, we will learn how to check your account statement. First, go to the top of the page where you will find the statement button on the third left of the bar. Click on it and a window will open. In this window, you have the option to select the time period for the statement. For example, you can choose from the beginning till now, or you can specify a specific period. Once you have selected the desired time period, click on the request button. Now, you will see the account statement displayed. It provides details such as your account number, username, and the date and time for which the statement is generated. The statement contains information about cancelled orders, pending orders, deposited and withdrawn amounts, and it also gives you an overview of your financial standing. You can go through all the details at any time, allowing you to keep track of your trading activities. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you manage your trading account efficiently.